Best mountain bike saddles. I was actually online searching for the best network server rack when I realized my bike seat was killing my back. Finding a comfortable saddle is tough. I bought and tested the top 5 bike seats on the market so you don't waste your money. Let's find your perfect ride.
Product number 1, comfortable seat cushion for men, women. When I first held this wide seat cushion, the memory foam and PVC leather felt extremely premium. It is distinctly wide at nearly 10 inches, and I noticed immediately how substantial the dual shock-absorbing balls underneath felt. Out on the road, that heavy thickness truly pays off. Hitting potholes usually hurts my spine, but this seat absorbed the impact beautifully, turning rough streets into smooth rides. The middle airflow vent actually works, keeping me cooler during a long afternoon pedal. It includes a saddle adapter and mounting wrench, making installation on my cruiser take just a few minutes. If you want maximum surface area and serious bump protection for casual weekend riding, this is the comfortable one you should grab. Speaking of comfort, we are moving straight into another thick memory foam option that adds a brilliant built-in handle and extra reflective safety features for nighttime visibility. Let's go.
Product number 2, Rock Bros Bike Seat Cushion. When I got my hands on this Rock Bros saddle, the first thing I tested was the built-in safety handle. Lifting my heavy stationary bike with that handle felt incredibly easy and saved my lower back. The material features anti-slip dots, which felt very grippy. During my 1-hour indoor spin class, the 3-zone pressure relief system and thick memory foam provided massive support. I stopped sliding around, even when pedaling hard, while the hollow core kept me perfectly dry. I also love the extra long reflective strip wrapping around the back, giving amazing visibility for evening rides. If you use a Peloton or heavy e-bike and struggle to move it around your garage, this model fixes that completely while providing cloud-like padding. While this padding is super thick, our third saddle takes a completely different design approach for riders who prefer a medium thickness and sportier contoured shape. Let's check it out. Product number 3, WTB Volt Bike Seat. When I held the WTB Volt, I immediately noticed it is much firmer than the others. The medium thickness padding provides a nice balance between soft cushioning and rigid support. Taking it out on some gravel trails, the contoured shape cradled my pelvis perfectly, keeping me stabilized over bumpy dirt paths. My favorite part is the love channel running down the middle, along with the underside cutout. That specific design totally eliminated the annoying numbness I usually get during long rides. Since they offer narrow, medium, and wide versions, you get a customized fit for your sit bones. If you are an avid mountain or gravel biker wanting firmer support for better power transmission rather than squishy foam, this is a fantastic choice. However, if you are looking for something that blends artificial gel comfort with a streamlined design, you will really enjoy this next waterproof gel option we tried. Product number 4, Comfortable MTB Gel Seat. When I ran my fingers across this MTB gel seat, the waterproof PVC leather felt extremely durable. The artificial fatty gel padding is a huge step up from standard plastics. During my test rides, the streamlined shape meant the inside of my thighs never rubbed against the edges, completely preventing chafing. I noticed that the hollow center allowed fantastic airflow, keeping things breezy on a warm day. Meanwhile, the dual stainless steel rails underneath provided incredible shock absorption when I hopped off curbs around the city. It even has a reflective stripe for safe night biking. If you ride a road or city bike and want an affordable gel upgrade that handles rain and friction beautifully, this seat is perfect for your daily commute. Wrapping up our testing, we have one final lightweight contender that strips away excess bulk while keeping your ride incredibly comfortable and dry all summer long. Product number 5, Rock Bros Bike Seat. When I unpacked this second Rock Bros saddle, I was honestly blown away by how remarkably lightweight it felt in my hands. Weighing just over half a pound, it feels incredibly sleek, and the matte PU leather gives it a great textured grip. Out on the pavement, the tapered shape proved its worth. Because it is narrower at the front, my legs pumped freely without any annoying chafing.
I particularly loved the direct slot air channels sliced right through the middle, which completely stopped any dampness from building up while I raced around town. The rigid rails stayed firm under pressure, and the side markings made my initial installation adjustments super easy. If you want a sporty, lightweight saddle for city racing or mountain biking that prioritizes grip and ventilation, you absolutely cannot go wrong with this one. Now that we covered all these fantastic cycling seat upgrade options, let's wrap up.
There you have it, folks. Upgrading your saddle is the easiest way to improve your ride. I put the links to all 5 of these seats in the description below so you can check out the current prices. Thanks for watching and happy riding!